YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today I'm going to tell you how to unlock your iPhone 12 Pro. First, you need your phone's IMEI number. To get this, go to your phone and dial *#06#. Now head to the unlockingcompany.com from my link below. They're the ones that are sponsoring this video, so big thanks to them. From a drop-down menu, select Apple, then select your iPhone. Now select the country in which you purchased and the carrier this phone is currently tied to. Now finally enter in that IMEI number and fill out the rest of the information and complete the checkout process. After that, you'll get an email with your unlock information, and time depends on the phone, carrier, and a few other factors, but hang tight, it won't be too long. Now pop in that unsupported SIM card and reboot. Now, if that doesn't work, you may need to plug your phone into your computer and then sync with iTunes. Once that is done, a box will appear telling you that your phone is now unlocked after the sync. If you need more information or help getting this done, head over to theunlockingcompany.com. Thank you for watching.